MS House by Sommet in Santa Cruz de la Sierra, Bolivia. MS House, located in a gated community in Porongo, Santa Cruz, Bolivia, stands out for its volumetric game and formal clarity, where the construction detail plays a fundamental role in the project's image. With wood and glass establishing fluid connections between the interior-exterior and concrete as the predominant material, this residence embodies a harmonious synthesis of geometry and functionality. The design is structured around a module that orders the layout of both the structure and the interior walls, with a meticulous correlation with the carpentry that unifies and gives coherence to the entire project. The house is composed of two overlapping volumes, strategically positioned to generate a distinctive entrance area. Located on a sloping ground and surrounded by vegetation, the house sits at the highest point of the topography, with volumes that cantilever out over the terrain, creating a visual and spatial connection with its surroundings. The design seeks to establish a fluid link between the interior and exterior spaces, especially in the social area, where the transition between the two is imperceptible. The first floor, at street level, concentrates on the public and social program of the house, while the upper floor houses the bedrooms and the family living area. The basement level houses the service and maintenance areas, allowing the program to be resolved on 3 levels without compromising the simplicity of the 2 main volumes. The main entrance leads to a ground floor designed under the open floor plan concept, where the different spaces act as flexible divisions between the different programs, encouraging free circulation without sacrificing privacy. The foyer, strategically located, connects the barbecue area with the main hallway, which in turn leads to the kitchen or the living dining room. On the second floor, the family room and ensuite bedrooms offer an atmosphere of comfort and privacy, with the master suite standing out for its spacious dressing room. From the accessible terrace, privileged views of the city of Santa Cruz de la Sierra can be appreciated, emphasizing the connection between the interior and the surrounding natural environment. In summary, the MS House is an outstanding example of architectural design that integrates geometry, construction detail, and spatial fluidity to create a contemporary and functional environment that harmonizes with its surroundings and meets the needs of its inhabitants.